Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to use notes, public replies, and track conversations in your free Freshdesk plan. First, open any support ticket from your list. To send a public reply to the customer, look for the large text box at the bottom of the ticket. This box says Reply to Customer. Click inside it and type your message. When you're done, click the green Send button. This message goes to the customer's email and is logged in the ticket. Now, for an internal note that only your team sees, look just above the reply box. You'll see tabs labeled Public and Private Note. Click the Private Note tab. Type your internal update or instruction for your team, then click the Add Note button. This note is saved in the conversation, but not sent to the customer. All messages are shown in the Conversations section. This is the main area in the middle of the ticket. It shows every public reply and private note in order, with the most recent at the bottom. To reply to a specific message in the conversation, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a Reply button appear. Click it. The reply box will open with that message quoted, so you and the customer know exactly what you're responding to. And that's it. You can now send public replies to customers, add private notes for your team, see the full conversation history, and reply directly to specific messages. If this clarified your support communication, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.